more birthdays to come. Unta, ang ginaawon ko nga, magka-baby na ka, matupad na, ihatag na sa Ginoo. So, amping mo diha. Malang to, happy birthday, salamat.
Hello, team! Happy 31st birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless you. I miss you. Ingat lagi, te. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mami Iba. I miss you. Love you. God bless. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi Bang, happy birthday, sweetest years, Subay. Regards ko ni Nanti, GR, God bless, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, me. May birthdays to come. Wish you sana magka-baby na ka. Then, mapalitan ako ni mo gusto ko niya. Ingat mo diha, me. Ingat mo lagi. Then, regards lang ko nila kuya. Nanti o kuya GR. Walang to, me. Advance Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday. Kami untang duhang JJ magtapad karon. Di kami masigo sa kamera kay nagkugnaw. Oh. Regards lang kung Nanti niya ang bigyan.
Birthday, te. Hello, te. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless. Ingat mo diha. Ayo-ayo. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, hinaut unta ang Ginoo mag-awan kaninyo hatagan mong maayong panlawas pabuton pa mo sa tuig nga tanan. Bye-bye. Sa naman mo diha. Okay, sa naman tayo. Kunyang kuha, pasalubong ang gulo ninyo. Isam-sam. I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna help you.
Bang, again, happy birthday. Thanks sa kamaayo nimo. Wish you all the best in your life and God will bless you. And more children to come. Thank you and happy birthday. At salamat sa baboy nimo kagahapon na nga bow.
Happy birthday, ba?
Bye-bye.
Love you. Sing tayo. Happy birthday to
Bahay.
Happy birthday, sing.
Bahay.
Come on, last.
Yung
Happy
bahay.
birthday.
Bahay.
Okay, bye. Happy bang. Happy birthday. And I miss you so much.
Bye-bye.
Yung ano, ang greeting parang artista lang. I wish all the best for you, all the luck, all the happiness in the world, and sana magiging tuloy-tuloy yung success ng career mo, at saka yung wish ko sa'yo, sana this year is mag-i-end na, no? So, by next year, magkaka-baby na kayo ni Kuya, at saka gusto ko baby girl, at saka baby boy. Dalawa, diretso, kambal. You like? Happy birthday, and I miss you so much. Lately kasi napaka-busy ng career mo, at saka napaka-busy ko din. Kasi ang dami kong TV guesting, tsaka ikaw, ang dami mong recording, may movie ka pa, so ganun, out of town shows. Happy birthday, and wish you all the best, happiness in the world. You're so blessed. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, Tita Bang. We wish you all the best in life. More blessings, more birthdays, good health. Nana sa imong hatanan kita bang. You're beautiful, you're talented, you're successful, you're so blessed with your family. One thing lang I just wish to you is to grant the desire of your heart. And you know it, what is that? Just believe, trust, and have faith in God because soon you will receive a great blessing from God. Di ba, anak? Happy, happy, happy birthday. We miss you and enjoy your party. Love ya. Kiss na kita bang, nak? Isa pa.
I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna help you celebrate.
Hi te, happy birthday. Kanang pasalamat ta kay Lord sa another year na yatag sa tua. And of course, many more birthdays to come pa. Sige lang no, kay kalabaw lang man ang tumatanda. And ako lang mo wish ang tanan mga birthday wishes nimo, mga desires sa imong heart makam true, and kanang i-bless pa ta ni Lord og kanang abundant happiness o kanang good health always importante jud na. And enjoy your day, and mo na today. Happy birthday again.
Kung mag-define tag ate or the best ate, isa lang masulod sa akong sa picture man lang. Mo na yung picture wala siya kasi nakailaan na mo na din na siya ang best ate para sa mga happy birthday. Hope ang inyong mga dreams, wishes nimo i-grant na ni Lord. I know nga unsa na to na unsa jud na to nakagusto. Don't worry kay as your younger bro, I'll protect you with all my might. I will love you te. Buhatan ako tanante just to be para masuportahan ka because anak ko just ako ate. We're best buddies tanante. Salamat sa tanang advice. Ako lang is I'll just continue lang to be strong. Ayaw na to ate. I'm just here, you big bro just told me. Kami na kung maghukad na ka te, tawag ako dayon. So te, happy birthday and we will enjoy the day. Kita na muna sa likod. So te, happy birthday ulit. God bless and more blessings to come.
I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna help you celebrate.
Happy birthday, nak. Love you. Nak, salamat sa Ginoo nga gitagaan ug kanunay kabastos sa lawas. Ibubuan og mga daghang grasya. Nak, ato ang handa simpuro kayo nak pansitang Mitelina kato pagingon sa kang Ate Dolores nimo nga mag one shot to kill na lang mi ani kay wala man tay mga sapi no. Ingat, love you, God bless. We miss you, bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday pa! Ang ano, Naon tayo cream. Pero mong ngiti mo para mo Wishing you the best of everything. Ayo mo din ha. Yes, te. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, te! Ako'y nag-video si Lovely.
Regard ko Kuya GR. Ice cream para sa inyo ha.
Happy birthday, te! Bye-bye! Love you!
Lechon. Nangungit para sa mo ha.
I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna help you celebrate.
Hi, babe. Kumusta ka na dyan? Miss na kita. Happy birthday. I love you. Ingat, take care. More blessings and answered prayers. I love you.
What up,
Wah!